How to easily obtain a driver learner license. Securing a driver learner license is a pivotal step for new drivers. It allows you to practice driving legally, paving the way to a full driver's license. Here's a concise guide to obtaining your learner license with ease. 1. Understand the requirements. Start by researching the specific eligibility criteria, documentation, and other prerequisites in your jurisdiction. This foundational knowledge will streamline your preparation and application process. 2. Study effectively. Leverage reliable online platforms like theory-tester.net to access comprehensive study materials and practice tests. These resources are instrumental in understanding driving theory concepts and preparing for the theory test. 3. Book and pass the theory test. Once prepared, schedule your theory test through the official booking platform of your jurisdiction. Passing this test is crucial, as it's a mandatory step to obtaining your learner license. 4. Apply for the learner license. After acing the theory test, proceed to complete the learner license application, ensuring all details are accurate and all required documents are submitted. 5. Attend mandatory lessons. Some jurisdictions require new drivers to attend mandatory driving lessons or courses. These lessons are invaluable in acquiring essential driving skills and knowledge. 6. Practice under supervision. With your learner license, practice driving regularly under the supervision of a licensed driver, adhering to any restrictions associated with the learner license. 7. Pass the practical driving test. Once confident in your driving skills, schedule and pass the practical driving test. This step is the gateway to obtaining a full driving license. 8. Receive your learner license. After fulfilling all requirements and passing the necessary tests, you'll receive your learner license, allowing you to gain more driving experience before progressing to a full license. Please like and subscribe to the theory-tester.net YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day.